Hello and welcome to the first of a new series on our Konnekt, companion to SharePoint. We call him SharePoint's new best friend. My name is Rory Sheehan. I'm a product sales manager for glueckkanja-gab. With me is my colleague Stefan Schoenleber, who's product marketing and sales lead. And we're here to talk about all the good reasons behind Konnekt today. So why should you choose Konnekt? Konnekt, it makes your life a lot easier. We work completely online, so you're not synchronizing data down to your hard disks all the time. You're not using up valuable disk space or equally valuable bandwidth. With large libraries, Konnekt can help you. Data grows all the time. SharePoint is getting bigger and bigger. Konnekt can help you leverage libraries that have over 100,000 files. Our drive letters facility lets you map drives to SharePoint, making it easier for you to use your legacy applications with SharePoint Online, making the adoption of it easier. We can also use Konnekt with VDI environments, again, blending into the infrastructure you already have, making life easier for you and your users. And lastly, with our auto mapping facility, we can make it a lot easier for your users just to see the data that they need. We all have a lot of SharePoint sites these days. With the auto mapping, we can selectively blend in the sites that your users have access to and that they need to have during their daily business. So now we'll go on and take a look at the architecture behind Konnekt.
Thank you, Rory. When it comes to the architecture of Konnekt, it's quite easy. Konnekt is just a Win32 app running on your local Windows machine. There's no back end, and Konnekt is connecting directly to SharePoint Online. So we don't have any back end where all your data would go through. It's just a direct connection. So your data is just between Konnekt, your local PC, and SharePoint Online. You don't need any local server or additional components. However, you of course can manage Konnekt with Intune or GPO, depending on what technology you are currently working on. For the connection between the Konnekt client app and SharePoint Online, we leverage the powerful APIs provided by Microsoft. First of all, Graph API as well as SharePoint REST API. Konnekt is always connecting in the context of the current user. So there's no super user in the background who needs access to all of the files. So a user is just accessing that files that he or she has privileges on. Additionally, we are independent to any special frameworks like .NET or OneDrive Syncline or something like that. We don't need that. Konnekt works independently from those frameworks. So Rory, let's have a look on the supported systems.
Yeah, let's do that. Thanks, Stefan. So at the moment, we support purely Windows, so all the native Windows clients and Windows servers. We've been listening to what you've been telling us, so we're also in the planning stage and in the feasibility stage to see when we could bring you a Konnekt version for Mac OS. More of that will come later when we have some more details and hopefully some good news for you. In the VDI area, we support the native hypervisor systems, all of the well-known names, multi-session systems, tipping on Microsoft Terminal Server, just as one that we all know, and then, of course, with Microsoft Desktop. For management, as Stefan has already said, we're also supporting Microsoft Intune. We even provide you with the templates there for Intune that you can go ahead and configure Konnekt as you'd like to have it, as your users would like to have it. And if you don't have Intune, then there's no worries. We also support Active Directory GPOs, so you can configure Intune or Konnekt, also that way. And then lastly, of course, probably the most important thing is the subscription end of Konnekt. Our licensing is user-based. So generally that means anyone who would have a SharePoint license or a Microsoft 365 license would need to have a Konnekt license. We also allow a number of devices per user, so that makes it easier for you. From a service point of view, during the terms of your license, we include all incident support, and we also provide you with any updates that come out for Konnekt during that time free of charge. And then lastly, to come to the scalability, We support KONNEKT from 25 users upwards to 100,000 users and possibly beyond. This is because of the architecture of KONNEKT that makes it easier to scale. So I hope we've got your appetite going now. You can come and visit us on konnekt.io. Please have a look, and then you can also get your free trial going there to get your own opinion of KONNEKT and hopefully come to know and love it like we do. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.